Safetinex U.S.A. is excited to announce the highly popular Safetinex line is now assembled in America. The safety light curtains and safety access control barriers are in high demand. To speed up delivery to the North American market, Safetinex has expanded their Texas office and added an assembly and light manufacturing section. Each Safetinex product is hand-assembled, starting at the component level. Circuit boards are quality controlled through a series of rigorous tests. Distance tests are measured for accuracy. A robotic test jig is used to measure on and off each axis for both emitters and receivers. And finally, each product is fully pressurized, then tested and verified. With all Safetinex materials now in stock in the U.S., the result will be faster turnaround and delivery for all of our North American partners. For more information, please visit www.safetinex.com.